Every great idea has the potential to change the world. But here's the thing. A brilliant idea is worthless if you can't communicate it effectively. Imagine having the solution to a big problem, a revolutionary concept, or a vision that could inspire millions, only to watch it fall flat because you couldn't express it the right way. In this video, I'm going to share the secrets to mastering the art of communication. Whether you're pitching a business idea, leading a team, or simply sharing your thoughts with friends, these strategies will help you deliver your ideas with clarity, confidence, and impact. Let's unlock the power of your voice. 1. Know your idea inside out. The first step to effective communication is understanding your idea completely. Ask yourself, what's the core message I want to deliver? Why does it matter? Who is my audience? Think of your idea as a gift. If it's poorly wrapped or hard to understand, no one will appreciate it. Simplify your message. Find the essence of what you're trying to say and build everything around that. Pro tip: use the elevator pitch technique. Imagine you have 30 seconds in an elevator to explain your idea. Could you do it? If not, refine your message until it's concise and clear. 2. Speak the language of your audience. A great idea can fall on deaf ears if it's not tailored to the audience. The secret to connecting with people is speaking their language. Ask yourself, who am I talking to? What do they care about? How can I make my idea relatable to them? If you're talking to professionals, use data and logic. If you're talking to a general audience, tell stories. Adapt your tone, examples, and approach based on who's listening. Remember, it's not about showing off how smart you are. It's about making your audience feel something. 3. Tell a story. Facts tell, but stories sell. Why? Because humans are wired to connect with narratives. A well-told story can make your idea unforgettable. Let me ask you this. Would you rather listen to a dry explanation or a story that paints a vivid picture? Exactly. Here's how to use storytelling effectively. Start with a hook that grabs attention. Introduce a relatable problem. Show how your idea solves the problem. For example, instead of saying, "This product will save time," you could say, "Imagine rushing to work, juggling a million things, and still managing to stay ahead of schedule. That's what this product can do for you." See the difference? Stories make your idea come alive. 4. Master the art of nonverbal communication. Words are important, but they're only part of the equation. Your body language, tone of voice, and facial expressions speak louder than words. Here's how to use nonverbal communication to amplify your message. Eye contact. Look at your audience to build trust. Gestures. Use your hands to emphasize key points. Posture. Stand tall and confident to show authority. Voice. Vary your tone and pace to keep things interesting. Think of yourself as a performer. Your energy, passion, and presence can make or break your delivery. 5. Listen more than you speak. Great communicators are also great listeners. When you truly listen, you understand what your audience needs, and you can adjust your message accordingly. Here's how to practice active listening. Ask questions to clarify. Watch for nonverbal cues like nodding or frowning. Pause to let others share their thoughts. When you show that you value others' input, they're more likely to engage with your ideas. Communication is a two-way street. 6. Practice, practice, practice. No one becomes an effective communicator overnight. It takes time, effort, and repetition. Think of every conversation, presentation, or meeting as an opportunity to refine your skills. Here's how to practice. Record yourself speaking and watch it back. Notice your tone, pacing, and body language. Join public speaking groups like Toastmasters to gain confidence. Seek feedback from trusted friends or mentors. Remember, every great speaker you admire started somewhere. They became great by showing up, learning, and improving. So can you. 7. End with impact. Finally, leave your audience with something they'll remember. A powerful statement, a call to action, or a thought-provoking question. Your closing should echo in their minds long after the conversation ends. For example, instead of simply ending with, "That's my idea," say, "This isn't just an idea. It's a solution that can transform lives." The question is, are you ready to take the first step? A strong ending inspires action and solidifies your message.